Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. So in this video, we're talking about Christmas lights. Not really talking about Christmas lights. We're actually going to talk about my setup that I use whenever I am installing Christmas lights, whether it's for myself or for if I'm getting paid to do it. But this is one way that I do. This is one thing that I use is this GFCI breaker. And what this does is if somebody cuts a wire, it will actually trip this here. So you can hit the test button and my lights go out. And if I cut a wire, it allows this to go out right here versus a circuit breaker inside of somebody's house or my house that I have to go find that circuit breaker for, or the GFCI on the inside. So you can just hit the reset and we have Christmas lights again. This little unit here is right around, I think it's like 30 bucks, $28. I'll have a link down below for this little guy right here. It's called a GFCI. You can get it at your local Home Depot, or like I say, I'll put a link down there below that you will be able to find a link for it. And like I say, we use this on every customer's house, so that way we don't damage something inside. You're not really damaging. You're going to pop the breaker or something, and that's how that works. And then I also have this little tool on here, and I will show that in another video. I will put it right here, where if you want to see how this works, it's an amp meter, and I'll show you how it works in another video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have content coming out every day. It's probably going to be anywhere from, like, this one's about 2 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on what it is. I'm going to try to keep them short just because I got a lot of content to fill those 30 days. So with that being said, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and have a great day. Thank you.